welcome to the Industry of Things World 2015 here in Berlin. It's my pleasure to be here with Detlef Zühlke from DFKI. Thank you for being here. It's a great pleasure to have such a renowned Industry 4.0 pioneer here with us today. You're heading up the Smart Factory team at DFKI. Could you tell us a little bit about your activities, goals and mission?
Yes, we started already 10 years ago, so it's not as new as some people may think. So 10 years ago, the idea was when we have smart homes, there must also be smart factories. And this was the reason why I founded our Smart Factory. And the Smart Factory is an industry-driven activity, so it's an association where you have a membership. So we have 40 members up till now, and these members work together in a network because Industry 4.0 is a network vision. So just the one company with the one product will not have any success, but in a network we have the success, and we organize this network. And I think this is the most positive things we have learned over this, in the meantime, 10 years.
How can organizations best develop and implement an Industry 4.0 fitting to their vision?
This is a good question because some people think Industry 4.0 is just the technology, but it isn't. It's just a very broad vision. So you must find your way into the vision. So this depends from company to company, and they will have different solutions for their companies. The most important thing is that you are looking for the network, because as I said, we are only successful if we are one part of a network, and the companies have to be a part of the network and look for such networks to be successful.
Which aspects of the IoT do you foresee being the most challenging from now?
I think the most challenging is the security question, because we learn now from week to week that whatever organizations they are hacked by some people. So I think especially the industry is very, very carefully looking for secure solutions, because no company can afford that people from outside intrude their systems or jam their systems. So they want to have 100% security, which is not possible itself. So the internet will not offer 100% security. But you have to look for trust for those people, that 99% is a much better value than doing nothing. So we have to convince people, we have to set up trust for them, but I think this is a very crucial thing. So if something will happen in this direction in the very first phase of implementations, they will cut all the wires outside of the factory, and this would be bad.
That would also be one of the next questions regarding the greatest threat. So you'd say security.
It's security, that's absolutely true. The second thing is surely the standards question. But we need standards, but we also have a lot of standards. So we more have to agree on standards than to set up new standards, because we just have to look for the right standards for agreeing this, and this should be done on a worldwide level, which makes it so complicated to bring the world together to agree on just one standard.
Could you give us some examples of IoT applications you're working on with the Smart Factory team?
We have set up demonstrator systems actually, but real systems producing something. And these demonstrator systems are built from components of the different members of us. So all these members are supplying hardware and as well as software to make this thing happen. And all these things are plug-and-play compatible. So we have the right standards already within our group, so we can just plug these things together and it will work immediately. Like your printer at home, when you buy it in the supermarket and plug it into your printer, you can immediately print, and the PC recognizes whether it's a A4 or A3 printer, it's color or not color. So we do the same. So today we have these solutions, and most of these solutions are already on the market, so the customers can buy these things.
A little feedback from your end. How did you like the Industry of Things world so far? Any feedback for?
Oh yes, I'm very positive. Yes, I'm very positive to everything. So the organization was perfect up till now, and the topics I've heard were mostly really convincing. And I met the right people also here, which is also quite interesting because we also are looking for a network here of people and companies. And this was a great platform to meet all these people. So I'm looking forward to another 1.5 wonderful days.
Excellent. So enjoy the conference. Thank you so much for coming.
Okay.